Thiswing's 360-degree adjustable drip system delivers very even coverage, so plants around the entire spray circle receive consistent moisture instead of dry patches and soggy spots. The included smart timer lets you program watering by time and frequency with a rain delay option, so you can essentially automate your garden care and avoid wasting water during wet weather. With a 100-foot hose, dozens of adjustable nozzles, and all the connectors and hardware in the box, the kit arrives as a complete solution that does not require hunting for extra parts at the hardware store. The copper and brass nozzles feel substantially more durable than typical plastic emitters, resist heat and corrosion, and produce a fine mist that is gentle on leaves, yet effective for cooling and irrigation. Quick connect fittings and a clear layout make installation approachable even for beginners, while the push-in design helps prevent leaks and allows easy repositioning as your garden changes. Because the system can switch from misting to more direct watering and the heads bend to any angle, it works well for everything from greenhouse benches and vegetable beds to patio cooling and poolside fogging.